Hello kids, welcome back for next session of English learning, and today we are going to take up the next set of O sound words that will be CVC words of OG family. Let's start to write OG family words. O will be made like this. The flick finishes over here. Extend it in this manner and make G, G, OG. So let's write the first word, and it will be starting with the B sound. The B will be written like this. Extend its flick from here only and make O. Extend the flick and make G, G. B-og, bog, bog. Bog is a very soft and wet ground. For writing the next word in this family, we will be starting the first sound. It is seeker. Extend the flick and make O, and extend the flick and make G. Make sure, children, that you are not supposed to lift your pencil until and unless you complete the whole word in one attempt. So the word is k-og, cog, cog. It is a gear tooth which helps a wheel to move. We can see the working of cog in this clip. Now let's write the next word starting with the sound D, D. D, O, G. Dog. D, O, G, dog. A dog is a common animal kept as pet. In this chart, we can see different breeds of dogs. Now write down H, H, O, G, G. H-og, hog. H-og, hog. A hog is a male pig kept for its meat. Let's make J, J sound. Extend the flick and make O. Extend the flick and make G, G. And the word is J-og, jog. J-og, jog. Jog is to run at a gentle pace. It is a form of exercise. Now, make this sound of F, O, G, G. F-og, fog, fog. It is a thick white cloud on the land or sea. The vision is not clear in fog. And the last word we are going to write in this family is L, O, G. Log, log. This is the picture of log. It is a part of trunk of the tree. After completing the first line, repeat the same words in the center line once again and learn them with the help of sounds. Keep revising, children. Thank you.